Welcome to another Food Label Maker tutorial. Today's video will walk you through how to create a front-of-pack label for your Mexican food products. First, set up your recipe as you typically would through your recipe setup and recipe builder sections. Then navigate to the Customize Label section. From there, choose the Mexico label style. For this example, we'll use a pasta recipe. Next, click on the front-of-pack label section. The Regulatory Intelligence Assistant will pre-classify your ingredients based on the ingredient information we have, based on Mexico's NOM-051 rules. Confirm that each ingredient is correctly marked for your specific recipe and formulation. Click Save. Then select your cautionary statement if needed, toggle the button, and select the narrow or wide option. This displays the mandatory black and white rectangular legends when the product contains caffeine or sweeteners. Under NOM-051, these legends must be clearly visible and separate from the octagonal warning seals. You can then customize your label with the following options. Show clustered seals. Small label size. Show vertical format. And calorie-free beverage. Choose the format that best suits your needs. Finally, to ensure the front-of-pack label appears when you download your label, make sure to save it and then select the front-of-pack option from the Download drop-down menu.